Good morning guys, in front of me is TECNO Spark 20 Pro, and let me show you how to add a fingerprint to this device. So at first, open the settings, then find and select password and security, and here click on fingerprint. Click on set lock screen password. So this is kind of backup to your fingerprint. You can use pin code. By tapping on numeric password, you can create pattern or alphanumeric password. I'll go with this first option, which is pattern. Just draw it, tap on confirm, redraw it again, confirm, and now you can manage your notification content if you want. Then tap on done, and it's time to enter your fingerprint. Just mark what would you like to use it for. Tap on next. And now place your fingerprint on the sensor. The sensor is located on your power button, so just keep tapping till it's fully added. You'll see it on your screen. And as only it is added, just mark finish. And that's it. From now on you can unlock your device with this fingerprint only. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.